Imagine yourself in this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: passenger airbag sensor, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, AC, steel wheels, rear-wheel drive, automatic headlights, and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.